I'm Mrs. O.F. Babarinde. I came from Nigeria to do total day replacement here. We got to know about Dr. Bonjani and some other doctors in Nigeria through Indians and doctors here. And when they were recommended, we contacted them on email. The response was there, and they put the treatments they are going to carry out, the amount and everything. And that is why we came here on the 23rd of February. When we came from the airport, you were well received. They brought us to the hotel. We stayed for 3 days. In between that 3 days, I went for medical checkup to know how fit I am for the operation. The result came out. I was very okay. I saw the orthopedic doctor in person of Dr. Santana, who received and welcomed us very warmly with all the staff. And also, the good 2nd of March for the operation. I was admitted on Monday, on Sunday evening, to observe me for a day plus before the operation. Early in the morning, the preparation for the operation, everything, and the words of encouragement that is going to be okay. I shouldn't entertain any fear. Everybody in the world, they came for the same purpose, and that really encouraged me and strengthened me. At the day of operation, I was carried to the theater. They explained everything they are going to do. They do spinal cord anesthesia. So I was able, I shouldn't say that. Okay. So the operation was successful. It was so wonderful. And around 1 hour plus or maximum of 2 hours, I came out of the theater, and the care thereafter, it was so wonderful. Whenever I called the nurses, the cleaner, and most importantly, the doctor, Dr. Santana, is always there, both for morning, afternoon, and evening checkup. And he does the work by himself. It was wonderful. And each time, Dr. Bonjani always called to find out about the improvement and how we are feeling. After 10 days, I was discharged, put also in the hotel so that I will be able to continue with physiotherapy. Really, the treatment receipt is so wonderful. It is so wonderful. And people are so warmly, the way they relate with us. It was as if we know each other for the past 5-10 years ago. And it has been a wonderful experience that I will be very bold to tell anybody, not only in Nigeria, to recommend them, that indeed they are very